Hey everybody, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of my latest purchase. It is a headlamp that I'm going to be using on the deer stand and out at my farm. I like doing these just to show you what the item's going to look like should you decide to order it and get one yourself. Get an idea of what the quality looks like, or at least what the unboxing looks like. Here's a view of the box. It's got some different things on it: night walk, climbing, fishing, repairing, construction, power cut. Again, I'm using it for hog hunting and tracking games, stuff like that. Whenever we're hunting and you have to track them. The box is actually a lot smaller than I expected, and main reason I bought this one was because it is rechargeable. I didn't want to have to be putting AA batteries or lithium batteries in it. It comes with lithium batteries and you can charge it up on your own. There's a quick look at it. I'll get the batteries in it and we'll see what it's like. Okay, so I've charged up the batteries and I wanted to do a quick demonstration just to show the different modes that this headlamp comes with. One click of the button, I tell you, it's just a solid beam. I was thinking I'd have to cut off the lights, but it's pretty bright. Second click goes to a little bit lower setting. So the first one's high setting, second one's low, and the third one's strobe. And fourth is off. There's a little button on the side, and that's all there is to it. There's no bells or whistles, pretty straightforward. I'll cut off the lights, just see if it gives you a better view of it. High. Low. Strobe. I hope that helps. It's really bright. It's a great tool if you need a headlamp for outdoors or for work.